So there's a lot of drama going on with Chrisean and Chrisean Jr. So now people are speculating that Chrisean has been putting her hands on Chrisean Jr. So there's this video that's going around of Chrisean raising her hand towards Chrisean Jr. and he instantly moves when she does that like he's scared of something. You guys go ahead and take a look.
Ow.
Watch this. Why you run like that? Why you run like that? Why you run like that?
And the way Chrisean Jr. instantly moved, I did not like that. And she wants to talk about, oh, why are you moving like that? Obviously, he was scared. So this post says, as soon as he saw her arm coming and swinging around, he twisted his entire body and squirmed all the way around to move away from being hit. And she had the nerve to say, watch this, before she did it. She is so damn evil and malicious. Trust me. I have seen this before. No matter the child's neurological condition, they recognize when something bad happens or is going to happen to them from a pattern of it already happening to them. She hits and beats on Junior just like her sister says she does out of frustration. She gets mad at Blueface. She gets mad at this isn't Blueface's child. She gets mad that he came out this way. She gets mad that everyone knows what she did. She beats on this poor defenseless innocent baby as if he didn't already have enough going on. I am in tears. Now this whole situation is just crazy. There's people on social media saying that Chrisean wants CPS to take the baby because she doesn't want to take care of him. There have already been people calling CPS. I think there's 30 cases or 30 investigations because people have been calling. She took him to the smoke shop. She left him at the beach unattended, covered up with a blanket. There's just so much going on, and I just hate to see all of this going on social media with little Chrisean Jr. I feel like he deserves the world. He did not deserve what he's been through and what he's already going through. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on this. Moving on to the next topic. So you guys know Klay Thompson and Megan Thee Stallion then came out Instagram official, and of course people found this photo of Klay Thompson and Tory Lanez, and they have been dragging Megan Thee Stallion and Klay Thompson, and they've even been saying that Megan Thee Stallion is going to ruin Klay Thompson's career. So people said things like, I will never understand why Drake cries for loyalty and plays victim when he constantly does people dirty, as well as Klay Thompson dating Megan Thee Stallion while being friends with Tory Lanez. These industry B-words are all weird and hypocrites. Klay Thompson, a B-word. He's seen what Shorty did to Tory and still wanted that, but that's ninjas for you. Love another ninja seconds. Someone else said Klay Thompson dating Megan Thee Stallion is wow. He better be careful before she Tory Lanez him during an argument, then drop a diss track, cry on stage, go on a hot girl healing tour the next day. Bro might end up traded and indicted. Hashtag free Klay in advance. Now a lot of people are here for Klay Thompson and Megan Thee Stallion, and some people are not, especially for the simple fact that Klay Thompson and Tory Lanez were friends. Now I don't know if they were cool or just took a picture, but since the picture has been going around, Megan Thee Stallion and Klay Thompson have both been getting dragged. I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.
My man Klay is officially going viral after popping out with pictures of Megan Thee Stallion. I knew it was coming. Once y'all ruined their little sneaky link that they had going on, they was going to post it. One of them was going to post it. Now, yes, they did not show her face, but if you know Meg, then you know that that's Meg. Also, in the thread, he had posted another little picture with y'all peep the hands, y'all peep the nails, cool. This is from one of Megan Thee Stallion's pictures that she had posted with the same nails. So, I mean, we already knew it was her, though. I'm not gonna lie, the people are eating it up on Instagram, too. What's crazy is, if you been keeping up with them, they've been throwing little hints and shots that they've been dating. Starting to make you wonder if Meg posting that picture of him chilling poolside hidden in the cup was on purpose. For Klay to post it and pop out is crazy. Like, he's always been so low-key. So Meg must be getting him together. For some reason, there's actually a lot of people mad about this. They feel like Meg Thee Stallion's about to ruin Klay's career. How y'all correlating the two, I don't know. To be honest, it's almost about time for Klay to hang it up anyways. If anything, it might just help his career. I think y'all just hating and got a deeper reason for disliking Meg. I feel like if you kept up with either one of them and you kind of get to know their personalities, they do fit for each other, I'm not gonna lie. For some reason, a lot of people feel like Meg got hidden motives like she dating Klay for some hidden advantage. What that could be, I don't know. Mind y'all, Meg has her own name, her own money. I don't really know where y'all taking that. Regardless, Klay clearly in love, because for him to be in the Bahamas with her posting up on IG, yeah, something been going on. Either that or he just already in deep.
You, seen who Megan's dating? It ain't Tory! It ain't Tory! Like, literally, I love when a girl lives by her lyrics, because if he gonna act up, I'm pivot. Like, what the fuck are we talking about? Ever since, you know, Tory's ex, like, literally came on that fuck-ass podcast talking like, what's her name? Is it Megan? Megan? Like, bitch, you know who the fuck it is. You know who it is. You know who it is. We all know who that is. And if you didn't know, you know now. But that, I don't even, like, I feel like you can't control your ex. That's cool. But them text messages that were leaked, and when he was like, I don't know if it was on Instagram, Twitter, or something, but he was like, you know what it is? Like, don't listen to these people. As soon as a nigga goes online saying, don't listen to these people, I don't care what it is. I feel like he did it. I feel like he did it, and I feel like he's guilty. And she pivoted. She pivoted to a nigga with 4 rings. Like, Like, when she said she stopped fucking rap niggas, we're the athletes, I love it for her. She's collecting them like Pokemon. I'm like, the fact that you're graced to
Stallion, why the fuck are y'all so mad? One girl talking about some, oh, she's on her 4th nigga. I said she's on her 4th rich nigga. You haven't reached your first and you got all them goddamn kids in your bio. Now she's talking about I'm not a girl's girl. Y'all not a girl's girl unless it's convenient for y'all. If somebody doing the same as you or a little bit lower, then you'll be a girl's girl. If somebody over here dating and they being young, wild, and free and doing what the fuck they want to do, that don't mean they have to have sex. I know that your mom didn't teach you that and she told you to have sex with every man that you get and just hopefully you get some money out of them. Megan don't have to do that. And we don't know her pussy. We don't know her body. She said this multiple times. And don't be worried about who I'm fucking because you can't hit it. And y'all still worried about her. And y'all can't even fucking hit it. She just said that in so many other little player ass ways. Stop fucking worrying about her. She gonna post whatever she wanna post, and not everybody has to be private. Somebody talking about some, oh, she need to be like Coco Jones and date in private and pop out engaged. People don't want to do that. If I want to flaunt my little shiny new thing, I want to do that. Like, y'all just be trying to, I don't know, y'all hold yourself to a different standard. Talking about some, oh, she's on her 4th nigga, and you're on your 8th abortion. In the comments, more on some, like, basketball stuff, like, don't let her distract you, and that's decent. Okay, like, don't be no distraction. Half of y'all talking about some free Tory. Y'all not even pro Tory. Y'all just anti-Megan, and that's just so fucking weird. I don't ever do the Megan slander, actually. Whether she lying or truthing or not, we'll never know. Tory will never tell us. Megan will never tell us. So why is it our business? And y'all keep trying to antagonize her. Then when she pop out and say something, now it's, ooh, she's feisty. No, y'all are fucking weird.
Love is in the air. Megan Thee Stallion and Klay Thompson have revealed to the internet that they are in a relationship. Yes, that's correct. They posted these photos. Well, Klay Thompson posted these photos. We actually kind of had the assumption based on a photo Megan Thee Stallion had up earlier, I think a day ago or 2 days ago. Everyone saw Klay Thompson in the back, so I'm not going to lie. They kind of just had to, officially announce this one. But hey, congratulations on a relationship. Hopefully, it's a successful one. We'll see what comes from this. Honestly, I know Megan Thee Stallion is sometimes controversial in the rap space due to a lot of different stuff that's happened, but I'm curious what you guys think.